A federal judge in Colorado has blocked the Trump administration from using a controversial 18th century law to deport immigrants for now.
Denver 7's Ryan Fish has more on what led to this and how the White House and a local expert are responding.
A federal judge in Colorado says, for now, the Trump administration can't use a controversial law to deport people out of our state. Last month, the Trump administration invoked the rarely used Alien Enemies Act, most recently used during World War II, as a means to remove certain non-citizens to protect public safety. But after Monday night's emergency order, immigration advocates say their community is being heard.
We can't just assume and look at any individual and say this is what you deserve without them having due process.
That's what two Venezuelan men being held in Denver are claiming in documents, alleging they are being unfairly linked to Tren de Aragua, the Venezuelan gang President Trump says is invading the country. The American Civil Liberties Union sued the administration on behalf of the men and asked for the emergency order, which was granted by U.S. District Court Judge Charlotte Sweeney.
Obviously, another rogue district court judge is trying to block the administration's mass deportation efforts with this latest injunction. We will fight this in the court of law.
Judges in New York and Texas have also paused deportations while the administration forms an appeals process.
It does stop things. Yes, there is a procedure, but we must have that procedure so that each person has the opportunity to fight their case in court and to be able to be presumed innocent until proven guilty.
Last week, the U.S. Supreme Court decided Trump can use the Alien Enemies Act to deport immigrants, but they must get a court hearing first. CU law professor Deep Gulasakram says everyone, including accused criminals, deserve that due process.
The Constitution of the United States is not based on the ends justifying the means. It says that there is a right way to do things and a wrong way to do things. If there are, in fact, proven criminals, proven people with gang affiliations, the administration is highly likely to be able to deport them. But again, they have to make that proof in court in front of a judge. It's not based on the say-so of the executive.
And he also says, in his opinion, there is reason for concern.
If the president chooses to ignore that order and continues his attack on judges, this is exactly what scholars would define as a constitutional crisis. This is exactly the moment at which our constitutional order starts to break down.
Sweeney's order stands for 14 days with a hearing set for Monday. In Denver, Ryan Fish, Denver 7.